Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. In today's video, I'm going to show you this very simple, sober and very traditional Diwali look. But before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And now without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. My skin is very well moisturized and prepped, and now I'm going to apply foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to use this Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation in the shade WN48 Oat. As this is a Diwali look and I'm not going to use a lot of foundation today because I want to keep it very simple. In my previous videos I have shown you some loud makeups for Diwali, but today I'm going to take it very simple for those of you who love to do makeup but want to keep it very simple. So this makeup is for those of you. So I'm going to take some product and I'm gonna use that all over my face with my finger. I'm spreading this foundation with my finger because this foundation is a very low coverage and I don't want to miss any coverage. Whatever I left on my hand, I'm just going to grab it on my brush. And today I'm going to use my brush to blend my foundation, and this brush is by Beige Cosmetics. Can you see the glow on my face? This is just because when you prep your skin very well before foundation, your skin will definitely going to reflect that. And the foundation also Even Better Glow Foundation, so it gives some glow to our skin. And whatever left on my brush, I'm just blending downwards to my neck. And now it's time to add some concealer. Whatever foundation you want to apply, you can apply, and whatever concealer you want to apply, you can apply. Just make sure that it matches your skin tone, and that's all. And to conceal my face, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. As this is very light makeup, so I'm going to apply my concealer just underneath my eye area where I have some dark circles, so it will hide that. And some here because I have some pigmentation here beside my nose and some side of my lip as well, so I need to cover that. I'm just applying that brush to cover my eyelid also. I'm not going to use any eye primer for today's look. And now it's time to set the concealer, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And I'm just going to apply powder underneath my eye area. I don't want any creases underneath my eye, so I just want to set that and lock that. And also I'm going to add some powder on my eyelid. And I'm not going to use powder on any other point of my face. I just want the natural glow which is coming through my skin. I'm not going to do any contouring and bronzing today. I'm going to add a lipstick to my cheeks to get a very natural kind of a blushy effect. I'm using this lipstick is by Facious Canada, and this is Go Cheek Wicked. So you can use your any lipstick to add a little tint on your cheeks. Before doing highlighting, I'm going to complete my eyebrow and eye makeup. So now I'm brushing my eyebrow upward motion, and I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. My eyebrow is totally done. Now I'm going to create an eye look, and which is going to be very neutral. So I'm going to use this Juvia's Masquerade large palette for today's look. Taking this brown shade from this palette, and the shade is called Fulani. I'm going to add that shade all over my lid. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and taking this shade called Burkina or Burkina whatever, and I'm going to blend that on my crease, and also I'm blending that upward like as my transition shade also. So warm toned and cool tone brown is a color which is actually perfectly goes with Indian skin tone, so you can wear it for like any natural kind of look or any simple kind of look. I'm done with that brown shade on my lid, and again I'm taking that dark brown shade called Fulani, and I'm using that on my lower lash line. Now I'm using Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, and I'm just applying that Kajal on my upper lash line in a very thin layer, and with that previous brush I'm going to blend that. I'm going to blend it properly. I want that faded effect, that ombre effect on my eyelid. Okay, and now again I'm going to take that kajal and I'm going to tighten up my lower lash line, lower waterline. And again I'm going to smudge that with the same brush. Just a little bit, not so much, and that's it. And now it's time to highlight my inner corner, and I'm going to use this shade called Giza. A little bit on my eyebrow bone. Now you can coat your eyelashes with full of mascara, and I'm using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. You can definitely go with this mascara only, but I'm going to add some falsies because I love to add some falsies on my eyelashes. And now it's time to add highlighter. For that, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. Okay, so I need to do a nose contouring, and I love to do that. So I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Now I can add some highlighter on my nose. So I'm going to add that highlighter just tip of my nose and some on my nose bridge. So the look is very light, very natural, very glowy, but I want my lip to be very dark and bold, and for that I'm going to use this Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Avenue. Now I'm going to set it with the MAC Fix Plus. And now quickly I'm going to put on some lashes and going to wear some jewelries, and I'll be right back. And here is the final look completed with falsies and some jewelries. This look is very sober and perfectly goes with Diwali. So you guys, please let me know, do you like this look or not in the comment section below. And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't follow me yet, then do follow me there as well. And here I'm sharing some of my previous vlogs. You would like to watch these also. And with that, I'm going to end up here and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.